an image. This is the message about it. We can dismiss it and then we can try to solve it. And the problem was with the image of the yogurt tart blauwbessen. Well, here we have a problem. We throw this away and then we can try to um, this way. We can try to edit on another way. The trouble with these images is that the most images we are trying to do, we can right click on an image and then I can do open it on a new tab, and then we see it on a new tab and we see here, so it is a JPEG. Well, that's nice. But with the yogurt tart, we go back to the recipes. With the yogurt tart, it's different. When we open this in a new tab, we see it's not a JPEG type of image, but a web picture type. It's a new type and it is not supported by Google Docs. And that's the trouble we have. What we do, we make a new adventure on the web and we go to convert this picture to a real JPEG. So this picture can be closed. I do a new tab and I say convert webp to JPEG. It's often it's often sort. JPEG is just a type of image which has no transparency, but it's not needed, and it has a good compression. WebP also. And then we go to the WebP to JPEG image converter. And when you have downloaded the image, you can upload it from this side, but I do not do that because that's really a possibility. Of course, it is also possible with Windows to do it in your own image in Paint. You can do that also. So we go from WebP to PNG and we have a URL. We can select it by Command A and we can say Command C, so the complete web address is now copied to the clipboard and we can paste it here. And then we do the upload button, so it's on this. You can work on this image if you like, but that's not our things. We just want to convert it. Now there's no converted thing like this. This is not important because it's not transparent. So here we have the JPEG, and this JPEG has to be yes. Maybe we can copy it. That's a good try. Let's try it. Yes, we can say copy. And then we can go to our recipes and we say paste. There's a control and we say paste. And it's not enabled. You have to do an install. You have to install another part. So that's what we're going to do. Google Docs offline. And we can add this to Chrome. Yes, an extension to be troubled again. Yes, so yes. You can synchronize all these things. No, that was not what I'm going to do. Well, when we can try to paste it a better way, Control Command V, it's still possible and our picture is inside. So that's the troubles who are we can it is automatically saved. Now we can say reload here to enable it, but it is also done, so I can dismiss this message. So then we're gonna work on our images again. We're gonna try to make them smaller, but that's the next movie.